Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about the Comica. I'm gonna unbox the Comica C1, we'll test it and we'll compare that with the Rode NT. Let's see how it goes. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the Comica C1. This is the lavalier microphone from Comica, and I mainly use this with my Sony ZV-1 to take like a faraway shot. There are C2 and C3 available as well from Comica. The main difference is that this Comica C1 comes with one transmitter and one receiver, whereas the Comica C2 comes with one receiver but two transmitters. And the same goes with the C3, but the C3 comes with a charging case as well. The charging case can come pretty handy if you're traveling, so you don't have to plug individual transmitter and receivers. But this is a C1, so we'll talk about that. The packaging is premium and straightforward. You get this QR code for the e-manual. If not, you also get like a paper manual if you want to read it. Other than that, you also get some Comica stickers. With that, you also get a warranty card and this carrying case, which is very premium. You don't get the charging case like C3, but still this case is very good and pretty handy. And inside this case, you will get the Comica Wemo C1 transmitter and receiver. Pretty good build quality, obviously made of plastic, but does the job. It will sit nice and sturdy on your camera's microphone housing. With that, you get few cables, one being 3.5mm audio cable. This one's a little unique because it has one side being yellow, other one is gray. I'll explain you the catch in a second. With that, you also get multiple USB Type-C to 1A cable. This can come pretty handy, so you can charge all the devices with one charger. Other than that, you also get the wind muff. It can come pretty handy too, because if you are shooting outside in the windy condition, this can definitely save a day. I personally haven't used it, but I know it can definitely save a day. Other than that, you also get one more 3.5mm audio cable. This time it's both orange or yellow. The difference is that if you use the gray and the yellow one, it doesn't work with your camera. You have to use the orange and the orange one. That's how it worked in my Sony ZV-1. There's one more audio cable, the female one with the Type-C for other things if you want to use it as a lock setup, but this is what you get with Comica C1. And on the receiver, there's a small, like a mini LCD display, which actually displays pretty important information. It displays the battery percentage of the receiver itself and the battery percentage of the transmitters connected to it, as well as the audio level, the microphone audio level of that transmitter. It can come pretty handy. It can switch between the transmitters, and that's on the receiver. And this is the transmitter. It is dead, so let me just plug it in real quick. When I plug it in, it's orange means it's charging, and when it is blue, it is connected. And now you can see I'm speaking through it, and this is how it works. Alright, so this is me speaking from Comica Wemo C1, and this is me talking from the Rode NT, the USB one. Now you be the judge. Let me know in the comments down below which one did you prefer. If I talk about pricing, this one can go as low as $79 on a Black Friday or a Boxing deal, which is not terrible. The Rode NT on the other hand is going to be always a little bit more expensive, but it has their own different things. Sometimes the lavalier is better for our video recording preferences. For me, I use both. I still prefer the Rode NT, but that's just gonna be me being biased. But what did you like? Which one sounded better? What would you prefer? I would like to know that, so please let me know in the comments below. And I have another video coming up next about the Rode NT. We're gonna compare that with the Comica and the other couple mics I have, so we'll go from there. I still have other couple videos planned up, like for the kitchen I got the new Fire Echo Show 15. I want to show that to you guys. I see how my experience goes with them. I want that one to come up. I have some other security camera videos coming up. There are lots of things happening right now, and I want to share everything with you guys. I just need a little bit more motivation. So if you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you around.